Across the globe, we have had over 1 billion portions sold. That figure is now fast approaching 1.5 billion portions. Over 100,000 assorted one-shot machines have been sold globally. If you're worried about touching soft-serve equipment because of the sanitizing dimension, rest assured that one-shot requires no sanitizing. Plus, if anyone has a gluten or lactose intolerance, there is no cross-flavor contamination between products. With low-cost equipment, which is especially attractive to national account rollout programs, you can buy a lot of our machines in comparison. Along with extremely low running costs, it really is a win-win. And if you should happen to think of coffee pods, you know how easy that is to use, right? Operationally, one-shot is somewhat similar. Simply insert the pod into the machine, press a button, release the flavor, release the taste. The pod does all the hard work and no sanitizing is required. Amazing flavor choice. More flavors, more sales. We would very much like your business, and we would like to put together a deal that would be very hard to refuse. With over 1 billion portions sold and 100,000 machines built, getting into the ice cream industry is not as hard as you may think. You can see examples of our international one-shot success stories on our Facebook page, which has now passed over 500,000 Facebook likes. Thank you very much for this amazing opportunity to present the one-shot program, and please let me know where we can go from here. It's been a pleasure. It really is a win-win